This video is related to the energy of the electron as it moves from the inner orbit of the hydrogen atom to the outer orbit of the hydrogen atom. General expression for energy of electron can be written as En is equal to minus E naught divided by n square. Here n is the principal quantum number which describes in which orbit the electron is moving. E naught is the energy of the electron in the first orbit. Most of the students are confused here due to the inverse relationship between En and n square. That is, with the increase of principal quantum number, energy of the electron should decrease. But due to this minus sign here, energy of the electron increases as it moves from the inner orbit to the outermost orbits. That is, when electron moves from the first orbit to the second orbit, then its energy becomes equal to minus 3.4 electron volt, which is about almost 10 times greater than its energy in the first orbit, which is minus 13.6 electron volt. And when this electron transitions from the second orbit to the third orbit, then again its energy increases. And when n becomes infinity, its energy becomes equal to 0. That is, now it becomes equal to the free electron, which is free from any attraction of the nucleus. And again 0 is much greater than from any negative value. So the energy of free electron is greater than the electrons which is moving in these particular orbits. So when electron jumps from inner orbits to the outermost orbits, its energy increases rather than the decreasing trend. A close analogy can be discussed to this is the absolute potential energy of the earth. Suppose this is our earth and we have a mass m whose potential energy can be written as U is equal to minus gmm over r. Here big M is the mass of earth, small m is the mass of object, and r is the distance between object and the earth. G is the universal gravitational constant. Again, there is an inverse relation between absolute potential energy and the distance. And one can expect that with the increase of distance, absolute potential energy should decreases. But due to this minus sign, inverse of this process will happen. That is, with the increase of distance, absolute potential energy increases. And suppose this point is at infinity from earth. When this object reaches at this point, this absolute potential energy becomes equal to 0 for that object. And again 0 is greater than any negative value. So at infinity, absolute gravitational potential energy is greater than from the absolute gravitational potential energy at this point, and absolute potential energy at this point is greater than this and from this, etc. So this hydrogen atom's electron analogy is in perfect agreement with the absolute gravitational potential energy analogy.